Each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Ooh. Come on, let's go, Ken. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he?
I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming!
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. You're going to learn all about the dragon.
Where's my noble, handsome prince? How I wish he would return from his voyage. How I wish he were here beside me, with his strong arms around me.
Mommy, it's so sad. Poor Princess Sim is pining away for the prince. She spends all day looking out over the ocean, hoping to see his boat.
I know it, son, and we all feel very badly for her.
Maybe today he'll come back, huh?
Maybe so, dear.
Oh, maybe today will be the glorious day. Oh, that'd be wonderful for us. Yes.
Even more wonderful for the princess.
Huh? Oh.
There's a boat on the horizon. Summon the princess.
Princess! Princess! Ooh, princess! Come on, princess! Oh, come on! Oh, princess!
Princess!
Hello?
That's enough, children. They can get together without your help, believe me. And I don't want you swimming so far out to sea.
True love makes people so happy. It's what we have together after all, isn't it, my dear?
Oh.
Oh, hail, your disgusting majesty, on the eve of your 1000th birthday.
2000th, Crayon! Ah,
Oh. Sorry.
Yes. See that you don't forget it.
Go ahead, dear.
My daughter's a wonderful dancer.
Now go!
A pretty little thing, isn't she? She'll look good in my collection.
Please, Prince, save us from this cruel fate! Oh, my love!
Welcome to my palace, little one. As a mark of my esteem, I present you with the golden scarf. Were it anyone else, it will be a sign of eternal servitude to your lord. Let's have some music.
Lucky little girl to
slave for life to his lonesomeness.
Lucky girl.
I'm a princess. I won't be his slave. I won't be anyone's slave.
Are you mad?
So you're being coy, eh? The golden scarf didn't ensnare you. Well, take a taste of this pear, my dear, and all your doubts will be resolved. Just a tiny, teensy taste. Still reluctant, are you, my pet? Very well. You will be exiled to Thorn Island. Take her away! Take her to Thorn Island immediately!
At once, your disgustingness.
Go ahead, cast off.
Please don't go out, Prince. The sea is too rough.
I must rescue Sim from the dragon's clutches.
Oh, sire, I beseech you, wait for a more propitious moment.
I order you to cast off that line at once, old man.
Oh, forgive me, sire. The omens are ill-augured at the moment. I beg you to stay ashore. I beg you.
Nothing will stop me from saving my precious princess. Nothing.
The prince is on his way to effect a rescue.
What? Insolence! Oh! Last.
Failed.
The gods have chosen to punish me, but I know my prince will come to save me. I know it. How well I remember that starlit evening when we were betrothed. That was beautiful.
It was but the sound of a reed flute, not beauty.
Then tell me, what is beauty, my prince?
You can discover it by looking in a mirror or the silvered surface of a brook, princess. There, and only there, is true beauty to be found. Fair princess. Let us be united. Let us be each other's own. Let us pledge undying love. Won't you accept my betrothal gift, princess? A jeweled necklace. Each gem represents a flower in our garden of love. Take these posies, though your rare beauty shames the blushing roses. Their value is beyond compare. Here, allow me.
I'm unworthy of such an honor. And what could I ever give you that would match the magnificence of these gems?
Your handkerchief, my beloved. I will treasure it all my life. I will bear it as a sign of the gods' favor. And it shall accompany me throughout my days. I will never take it off as long as I have breath. The gods are our witnesses.
I tried my best to dissuade the young prince from going out, sire, but to no avail. He wouldn't listen to a word I said.
Arise, young prince. Your quest is not yet finished. Arise, prince. Stiffen the sinews and summon up the blood. Arise, prince. Arise, young prince. Brook no delay. Set off across the bounding seas to rescue your beloved. We have faith in you. Do not let I dare not wait upon I will. Do not sit there like patience on a monument, letting concealment like a worm in the bud feed upon your inactivity. Arise, I say, young prince. Your promised bride awaits you. Will you therefore disillusion her? Forge a weapon worthy of her. Young prince, the hour has arrived when we must test your strength and your determination. If you dislodge the pointed barb from between the cliffs, we will know you are the hero that the sages foretold.
Watch this.
Excellent! You have passed the test with flying colors, young prince.
With this weapon, I shall defeat and kill the evil black dragon.
The Dragon. Dragons are among the most famous of all imaginary beasts. Mythology, legend, and fairy tales are full of dragons, keeping beautiful princesses prisoner or guarding fabulous treasures. In the West, the dragon is normally seen as a huge snake-like creature with long talons. It's often black and always shiny, puffing smoke and flames out of its mouth. For the ancient Greeks, any large snake was called a dragon. The Chinese see it as a horned beast with claws, a scaly skin, and a spine bristling with spiky quills. Dragons are usually shown with a pearl in their mouths, just about to swallow it or spit it out. According to legend, this pearl contains all their power and strength. If they lose it, they'll turn into docile, harmless animals. Traditionally, dragons are creatures that strike terror into the hearts of all who see them, and this is why throughout history their image has been used in war. For the Romans, the dragon and the eagle represented military might. The kings of England placed the dragon on their banners, and the dragoons is a military corps whose name also comes from the mythological beast. In Western myths and legends, the dragon is always fierce and predatory. This is why one of the classic trials of strength for heroes across the ages has been the slaying of the dragon. Hercules had to do it, as did St. George and St. Michael. In China, along with the unicorn, the phoenix, and the tortoise, the dragon is a magical animal. For centuries, it represented the personal symbol of the emperor. The imperial throne was known as the throne of the dragon, the emperor's face as the face of the dragon. And to announce his death, they used the expression, "The emperor has flown up to heaven astride a dragon." Today in the Sunda Islands, we find a Komodo dragon, a lizard-like animal that can be as long as 3 meters, and that's protected by the Indonesian government. In India and Southeast Asia, the so-called flying dragon is a lizard about 40 centimeters long that uses its winged membranes to glide from tree to tree.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral is that if you use determination and courage to fight evil, there's no way you can lose. Oh, look who's coming!